What are you doing, George? You getting ready for takeoff? Huh? What are you doing, George? Were you getting ready for takeoff? Oh, fell down. Hello, George. What are you doing? Are you back up there going to take off again? You know you're not supposed to do that. You don't want to go out there, honey. Stay in here. George. Come here, George. George, are you the most dangerous animal in the forest? What are you doing? You think you're gonna fly? You're not gonna fly anywhere. Look out. Hey, George. Where are you going? Come back here. Come back here and see me. Come see me. Here's my hand. Come on. There's my hand. Come on down. Come on down. Come on. Here's my hand. Come on. Oh, there we go. Oh, don't bite it. Quit biting it. Not, yeah, it'll attack you. Uh-oh. Are you happy? There we go. Look at, we got a real good close-up of George. What are you doing up there? Okay, George, here you go. Back on the thing. Get back on the thing. Huh? What are you doing, George? I get a real good close-up of you. You're a pretty bird. Are you a pretty bird? Can you make your head stand up? No. Let's see your hat. Show me your hat. You're not going to show me your hat?